Hi, I'm Michael Starrett. I'm with United HVAC Motors. This video is specifically for contractors who have never ordered from us before. We're going to go over our motors and how to find the model number so you know exactly what to order. There's many different types of brands that you're aware of. There's Carrier, there's Lennox, there's Bryant, there's Ruud, there's Rudd, and all of these manufacturers use GE Gentech blower motors. So you need to know which one you need to order in order to help your customer. Different types of motors and different horsepowers and all the different program variations. There's over 500 different program variations. It is incredibly important that you get this correct program or the motor will not work for you. So if you order the wrong motor with the wrong program number, it will not work for you and you'll have an unhappy customer and you'll truly believe that the motor we sent you is defective, when in actuality it's not. So it is very important to order the right program number to make your customer happy and to finish the job. So next in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find this model number. So on this particular motor, this one's actually pretty easy to see the model number. It's right here. The 5SME39 number is what type of motor this is. The HXL tells us this is a half horsepower motor, and the 015A tells us what the program code is on this. Sometimes on this part of the motor where it says customer model number, there might be a different model number here. The 5SME39 number will always be here, but sometimes there's a second model number. The second model number is just for a different manufacturer like Carrier or Trane to use their part number. But at the end of the day, the GE part number is the most important one, and this is the one that you need to type in to get the exact motor that you need with the correct model number. So there's 3 easy steps to ordering a motor from us. Step number 1, identify your motor. Get that model number that's on your motor. Step number 2, head over to our website. Type that model number in our search bar and your motor will pop up. Step number 3, after you type your address in, it will go ahead and it will give you different shipping options. All the way from our free ground shipping to overnight shipping is available as well. This search bar up here, you want to go ahead and you want to type in the model number of your motor. So let's start typing that motor number in. It gives a few other model numbers that this motor is also known by. If your motor has any of these model numbers on it, this one will work for it. If you take a look at this and zoom in a little bit, you're going to see it has the same exact model number that this motor has. By matching up this model number, it assures you that this is the exact motor that you need, and when you get home and you install this motor, it will 100% work. We want you to get exactly what you need to get up and running as quickly as possible. It's so important that you pick out the model on our website that matches your model. Anything else other than this exact model to replace this motor will not work. Please pay very close attention and order the exact motor that you need.